Hey guys, over here and I'm doing another update on the 5-speed Sierra. And I got a good one this time. Major interior improvements, I think. I got a folding center console for it. If you guys know, this is actually for a 07 to 13 GM Silverado pickup, whatever. But this one was really nasty when I got it, so it cleaned up okay. It looks alright. It still folds up. It looks pretty good for considering what it looked like. I wish I would have shown you guys what it looked like before, but it was really nasty. It was missing the lid. So this is a brand new lid just off eBay. So I'm missing the inside piece to make it all pretty. Also missing a little divider wall that goes here, the little carpet for this. But I got the change holder actually for it. It's pretty cool, but it doesn't actually stay in. It just kind of, it doesn't stay in. You fold the console up and it just goes flying and change goes everywhere. So I'm not showing you what I'm doing. That's awesome. But yeah, I got that for it. You know, it cleaned up okay. Like it's kind of ugly, but that's like honestly about as clean as it's going to get. I probably spent a little more time on it, I suppose, but cup holders. The only thing is with this is with the 5-speed. I'm pretty sure this cup holder is going to be pretty much worthless because it's going to be in direct path of when I shift. So that's always good. It's going to be in direct path. And then you go into 5th gear. And this one might be a little in the way, but I think I can live. That cup holder is no problem. But this one is basically worthless with the 5-speed. Kind of saw that coming, but yeah, my arm goes right in the path of it, so nothing can really go there. Unless I'm like cruising down the highway already in 5th gear for a long trip, then I could put something there, I guess. But then, you know, with these, and one major improvement of the actual folding console that's supposed to go in these is the extra storage in the bottom. That's just good. I could use all the storage I could get, so. But yeah, that's that. I also got a short console for it. Well, short console for it. It's out of a 01. It's the 2-piece console, long console, but I converted it to a short console. So I got that for it as well. I got all the dash pieces that go with it just in case, even though 5-speed, so I'll never really use it. But I figured I was there, so I grabbed all that. Yeah, got all that. Looks pretty cool. I like. And then there's the jump seat back there. I got a few other miscellaneous parts. Like you can see, I got this plastic piece to cover up the air ducting and stuff because I didn't have that. So luckily for me, the pickup I got the long console out of. That was just laying on the floor. I was like, hey, I need that, so I just grabbed it. What a pain in the ass to install, especially with the shifter right here. There's one screw that goes way up in there. It's a bitch. Took me like an hour to actually get that one screw lined up. The other two over there are easy, but this one was a pain. So I got it, and it looks a lot better. So, but I got that. Got this console. Got the long console. I made a delete plate to make a short console with. So I might put that in sometime. I don't know. Probably not for a while. Probably run this for quite a while, and then if I ever want to, because you gotta pull the seats out. That's the most dumb thing about it. So yes, this is a direct bolted, but you gotta pull the seats out. You want to put a long console, short console in, gotta pull the seats out. It's just kind of annoying. It's about the worst thing about it is you gotta pull the seats out every time you want to change it. Now taking seats out actually isn't that hard. It's still just a pain in the butt. But I got that. Anyway, just washed this thing because it was full of salt. Poor thing. Didn't do a great job, I guess, but yeah, there's my jump seat. And then I also got the tailgate spoiler thing off that 01. So it's not the correct style for this pickup, but it does fit. You see it does have a hole in it, which is kind of a bummer. But I'm gonna get in a snowmobile running. But yeah, I got that. It's not the correct style, but when I take the topper off in the summer, I'll probably throw that on. and get rid of it. And I was thinking of actually just putting that over this and drilling the holes through this plastic. But it's like, I don't know, maybe. Because at the top, or this plastic piece right here hits it. If I took this plastic piece off, then I could run it, but I'm not going to do that. But yeah, that's that old jump seat. So dumb that I didn't fold. So dumb. Only thing it's got going for is cup holders. I like the position of the cup holders better on that. Because, like, let's say me, my dad, and my dog want to go somewhere in this pickup. Well, for my dog to have somewhere to sit, we just fold this up. Well, now no one has cup holders. That's the major design flaw with this console, I think. As soon as you fold it up for like someone, for like a dog or even a person or whatever to sit here, well, as soon as you fold it up, you lose your cup holders. So I was thinking about somehow taking the cup holders off the jump seat and mounting them onto the front of this. So I'd have 5 cup holders, but yeah, I don't know. Probably not. It'll probably be alright, but yeah. And I didn't realize the gap would be so massive. I call that the void, because that's just a huge gap. I mean, yeah, when you fold it up, it kind of takes up most of it, but that's just a lot bigger of a gap than I thought it would be. But that's okay. But yeah, that's interior mod. So it's coming along. Got the leather wrap steering wheel. It's all nice and fancy. Yeah, my camera's all blurry. That's a little better. Well, you got the leather wrap steering wheel. Got the console. Got that little piece down there. Got the fog switch. Now all I have to do is see if maybe the fancier radio would fit. Like, be a direct plug-in. Maybe. I wouldn't mind getting the fancier radio. Doesn't have to have the CD player or nothing, but just a fancier radio with like the bass controls and stuff. I mean, yeah, you can kind of do that with this right here, but it's just not quite. Look into that, and then I was honestly thinking carpet. I don't know. I was thinking about it. Definitely make the interior less work truck putting a carpet in here, but at the same time, I kind of like the vinyl floors because they're real easy to clean. But I don't know. Maybe carpet. Probably not, but maybe. And then that's about all I'm going to do for the interior. You might see this get switched out for the short console someday, but I got to find a new bezel. Since that pickup was an 01, it had a really nice bezel, but since it was an 01, it wouldn't work. Because this one's got a few holes on it, so I want to find one that doesn't have any holes in it. But in the meantime, this one will do. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.